Welcome back to Cars Trends, your trusted source for in-depth automotive reviews and insights. Today, we're taking a nostalgic journey into the world of classic automobiles, focusing on the iconic Mercedes-Benz 280 SL, an enduring symbol of elegance and engineering excellence. The Mercedes-Benz 280 SL, affectionately known as the Pagoda due to its distinctive concave hardtop, was produced from 1967 to 1971. This model succeeded the 230 SL and 250 SL, culminating the W113 series with refined performance and luxury. Its design, crafted by Paul Brack and Bela Bereni, combined sleek lines with advanced safety features, setting new standards in the automotive industry. Under the hood, the 280 SL housed a 2.8-liter inline-six engine producing approximately 180 horsepower and 193 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain enabled the vehicle to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 8.7 seconds, reaching a top speed of 124 miles per hour. The engine's smooth performance was complemented by a choice of manual or automatic transmissions, catering to diverse driving preferences. Inside, the 280 SL offered a blend of comfort and functionality. The cabin featured high-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and a straightforward dashboard layout. The upright driving position and expansive glass area provided excellent visibility, enhancing the driving experience. Optional features included air conditioning and a Becker radio. Adding to the vehicle's luxury appeal, technologically, the 280 SL was ahead of its time. It incorporated a Bosch fuel injection system, improving fuel efficiency and engine responsiveness. The vehicle's suspension system, with independent front and rear setups, delivered a balanced ride quality, while power-assisted steering and disc brakes ensured precise handling and stopping power. In terms of utility, the 280 SL was designed as a grand tourer rather than a sports car. Its trunk offered sufficient space for luggage, making it suitable for weekend getaways. The Remo